Severe asthma attacks.
Palpitation of the heart.
I was dying.
Shortness of breath.
I couldn't sleep.
Fatigue.
Asthma and been on inhalers.
Lung infections.
Along with the emphysema, I had a thing called costochondritis.
Started having panic attacks.
I also had cholesterol problems and sinus problems. I had high blood pressure.
I was having one flu attack after the other.
I wheezed a lot when I talk.
Stayed at home for 3 months. I became a recluse because I didn't want to be out somewhere and have a panic attack or suddenly not be able to breathe properly. So I'd just been at home.
I was quite desperate.
Breathless, I couldn't breathe. I had terrific pains in the chest.
The tightness of the chest would start.
I was pretty much exhausted all the time. I couldn't sleep well.
I was also having menopausal symptoms, hot flushes and other symptoms.
Hay fever, very, very bad in the spring. I couldn't breathe. My nose was chronically stuffed up.
And I would have to go on antibiotics and they wouldn't work, and go another antibiotic and it wouldn't work, sucking steroids.
Doctors they didn't know what was going on, and they didn't really help me.
And every time I went to the doctor, they kept pushing up the doses.
The doctor took lots of tests and diagnosed anxiety, probably due to menopause. All the tests came back fine.
I was always brought to the emergency room by my mom, and we also had oxygen tanks in the house.
So here we're now involved in a struggle of principles and ideas. But the truth is on our side. We achieve a 100% effective result.
Oh my God, it changed my life. It was incredible. I didn't die.
My symptoms are mostly gone.
Because the results are instant. It's so effective.
Yeah, really no more symptoms of panic since I started, since maybe about day 2 or 3 of the course.
Sleep is going very well. It no longer bothers me like it did before.
And also would sleep much better at night.
I wake up feeling refreshed, whereas I would wake up still feeling tired. And
lo and behold, within a matter of a week, things were getting better.
A lot of confidence that I had the tools to tackle the breathing issue when it came up. So it became less scary for me.
I no longer am constipated ever.
I am much better since I started doing the method.
I feel good all the time. I don't wheeze.
My asthma has improved. No inhalers.
Within a couple of days, I noticed my chest was actually improving.
No terrible chest tightness.
As soon as I switched to nasal breathing, I didn't have any more panic attacks.
Around the Christmas time I went, and he said, your cholesterol's okay.
Don't have to be running back and forward to doctors for inhalers and steroids, and so
there's no point in keeping you on them. Your cholesterol is perfect. Checked my blood pressure once or twice. Oh, that's fine. Took me off those tablets. I went off the medication for the sinuses long before that, because that cleared up very quickly. The inhalers, I didn't really need them at all. And on top of it all, I lost nearly 3 stone in weight, which I definitely need.
Pretty much all the symptoms have gone. My menopausal symptoms have completely reversed.
The varicose veins in my legs are all but gone.
It's like a kind of hack, a biological hack.
I have little to no chest pain.
Well, I haven't had the flu since, and that's probably nearly 2 years ago now.
I would say do it. That's really the bottom line.
But I am really, really grateful that I've got this this method, and it's basically the understanding of the importance of CO2.
And I could slowly but surely dispose of the tablets, which I hated taking, and I am now quite free of all those things, and I'm happy to say it's all due to Buteyko.
I think Buteyko is just wonderful.